Pie charts. When we get a pie chart question, we need to remember that a pie chart has 360 degrees all the way around. We need to share this 360 degrees between all the people in the table. So the first thing I'm going to do is add up these numbers. These add up to 90, so 360 degrees divided by 90 gives me 4. So each person in the table has 4 degrees on the pie chart. There are 18 people over here, so 18 times 4 is 72. Similarly, 20 times 4 is 80, 40 times 4 is 160, and 12 times 4 is 48. I'm now ready to draw my pie chart, but before I do, it's worth remembering this. Because if the pie chart comes upon a non-calculator paper, you often have to divide by 36, 45, 60 or 90. I can now draw my pie chart as follows. I place my protractor over here, and then the first angle is 72. So I start from 0, end at 72, and put a dot over here. I then remove my protractor. I then use a ruler to draw a line to the edge of the circle. I must remember to label it as walk. I put my protractor again, and now I'm measuring 80 degrees. I start from 0, end at 80, put a dot over here, and then remove the protractor, and I use a ruler to draw a line to the edge of the circle. I label it a cycle now. For the next one, it will be 160 degrees. I remove the protractor and use a ruler to draw a line. Remember to label it as bus. And then the next segment is done for you, and label it as car. So this is my final pie chart. The main thing to remember is that the starting point is always 360 degrees divided by question mark, and this question mark is the frequencies added together. Here is a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you are ready for the answer, press play. Your working should look like this. Before you draw the pie chart, you can check that your angles are right because they should add up to 360 degrees. Your finished pie chart should look like this. This is the second type of question that you might get on an exam. In this question, you are asked to complete the table. The pie chart is accurately drawn. In an exam, you would be needing to measure some of these angles. Because you don't do this on the screen, I'm going to tell you that this angle is 40 degrees and this is 60 degrees, so it's 40 and 60. So you will have all this information now, so you will be able to complete this table. Press pause and have a go at it. When you are ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. If you got this correct, congratulations! You can stop the clip now. If you haven't, keep watching and I'll show you how I got them. The starting point for this question is 360 divided by 90, okay? This 90 is the sum of all these frequencies, which is already provided. So 360 degrees divided by 90 gives me 4. I can now multiply the frequency by 4. 20 times 4 is 80. This is already done for us. And then we know that this angle is 40, so I need to multiply 4 by 10. So this is done, and I already know that this is 60. So 15 times 4 is 60. As a check, I need to do the summation of all the angles, and this is 360 degrees, and hence my answer is correct.